Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video in my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be looking at the 777. So please be sure to watch till the end. Let's get right into it. So the 777 is a wide body airliner manufactured by Boeing. So the 777 twin jet was created in order to fill the gap in the product line of Boeing between the 747-400 and the 767-300ER. It was also built in order to replace the older aeroplane like the L-10-11 TriStar and the DC-10. So in 1988, Boeing started a new clean sheet design project which later became the 777 twin jet. It was developed in consultation with 8 major airlines, and the first meeting was held on January 1990, and the program was fully launched on October 14th the same year. So the prototype was first rolled out on April 9th, 1994, and it first flew on June 12th, 1994. So the 777 entered service with United Airlines in 1995. Longer range variants were launched on 2000, and they first flew in 2004. So it is the largest twin jet and has a typical three-class capacity of 301 to 368 passengers, with a range of 5,240 nautical miles to 8,555 nautical miles. So it is recognizable for its large turbofan engines, which are some of the biggest in the world. The original 777 with the maximum takeoff weight of 545,000 pounds to 660,000 pounds was produced in two fuselage lengths, the initial being the 200 variant and the other one being the extended range, which is the 200ER variant. It was released in 1997, and the 33.25 feet longer 777-300 was released in 1998. So those 777 classics were powered by the General Electric GE90, the Pratt& Whitney PW4000, and the Rolls-Royce Trent 800. So the longer range 777-300ER with a maximum takeoff weight of 766,000 pounds to 775,000 pounds entered service in 2004, and the ultra long range 777-200LR entered service in 2006, and the 777 Freighter entered service in 2009. So these long haul variants feature the General Electric GE90 engines, which is the most powerful engine so far, but not for long, because the 777X, all as nowadays known as the 8 and 9, will be having the newer, more powerful engine, which will be the General Electric GENX. And they also have wrecked wingtips. So in November 2013, Boeing announced the development of the 777X with the 8 and 9 variants. It is scheduled to be released this year. So the 777 has received more orders than any other wide-body airliner, even more than the 747. As of August 2019, more than 60 customers had placed 2,049 orders, with 1,609 being delivered so far. The most common and successful variant is the 777-300ER with 844 orders and 810 being delivered. So as of July 2018, Emirates was the largest operator with 163 of the aircraft. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. Please click the box on my head right now. Check that video out. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end.